everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are staying home and safe. Thank you to the people who have subscribed our channel, and thanks to the people who have not subscribed yet, but still they are viewing our videos. So this video is requested by one of our friend come subscriber who want to know my weight loss journey, the healthy weight loss journey. She requested, but I thought to share with you all so that it may be helpful for a few of them. First of all, I'm not a dietitian, I'm not a trainer, I'm not a doctor. It's my experience, what I have gone through last 5 months, and I want to share with you people so that it may be helpful for you people. What are the food we are avoiding in our diet? What are the food we are consuming, we are having in our diet? How we are managing our breakfast timings, dinner timings, and all. I want to share with you people. So for that, you have to watch the complete video. Please don't skip the video. You may miss some information from the entire videos. So let's start. So the things which we are avoiding from our kitchen, or we are not having in our diet, are the first and the foremost thing is the refined thing, which is like refined oil, refined sugar, refined salt. We just stop having that, and I will let you know in place of that what we are having in our diet. So next is maida, which we stop long back. I have stopped having maida items long back. It's maybe more than like 3 years. More than 3.5 years ago, I have not welcomed maida to my kitchen. So, and next is the potato. Potato again for us, like for everything we will use potato. For curry, vegetable curry also we will use potato. For non-veg things also we will eat potato. We think like if we don't eat potato, the food what we are consuming it will not digest. So for that, but now we have avoided having the potatoes in our diet. Next is the things which we are avoiding is the junk food, which is again like we should, for a healthy diet, weight loss journey or healthy diet, healthy body, we have to stop consuming junk food, which is not good for health. Next is the soft drinks, which for soft drinks also I have stopped consuming that soft drinks long back. It's more than 4 years I can say. I'm not having soft drinks, any drinks, like either it's a fruit juice or anything. I am not having that. So that is again very important. Next is the thing which I loved a lot, but now I am not having much in quantity. Yeah, but I sometime I will have that, but a very little quantity is the rice, which it is very important. Like if we can avoid rice from our diet, um, then it will be like your body, your weight loss journey will be perfect. Like you will have a perfect weight loss, a healthy weight loss journey. I have avoided rice in my diet, but sometimes I used to take, but it's a very lesser quantity, which is again important. If you possible, you can avoid from your diet also. Next step, important part for weight loss journey, healthy weight loss journey, is the time, which is very important. If you make yourself very disciplined with your timings and all, then your journey, weight loss journey, will be perfect. You can reduce your weight perfectly, and you will not gain your weight again, which is, if you should have your breakfast on time, lunch on your time, and dinner on your time. That is not on 1 day or 2 day. It should be every day. Your body should understand that yes, this I will have breakfast on this time, I will have lunch on this time, I will have dinner on this day. For me, I used to have my lunch by between 12:30 to 1:30, and dinner by 7:30 to 8:30, not after that. Yeah, for starting it will be very difficult for everyone who will be starting on the same time. It will be difficult for them, but I'm telling you, first weeks or few days it will be problem, but after that, once your body understand that yes, this is the dinner timings, you will be able to manage that. Because last 5 months I am having my dinner by 8, between 7:30 to 8. After that I will not have. If sometime I get delayed, then I will have some very either salad or something like that I will take. But I try to finish my dinner by 8:30. That is very important part during the weight loss journey. Next comes what are the food we are uh, eating by replacing that refined things and all. Refined sugar we have replaced with jaggery and brown sugar, which is you can get in any stores or some or online also. You can buy any big basket or Amazon, Flipkart also you will get. Then salt we welcomed rock salt to our kitchen. That also you will get in any of the stores. Then in refined oil we have replaced with mustard oil, butter, ghee and olive oil. Olive oil we will not use for cooking purposes. Salad or if we prepare we will use for that. For cooking we will use, sometimes we will use ghee also, sometimes we will use mustard oil. Most of the time I will use mustard oil. These are the few things we welcome to our kitchen. And we eat lots of veggies in our diet, green, especially the green vegetables. As of now we are getting in lots of organic vegetables, so I think it is helping our body. Let's hope for the best like that type of things I can say. And the like we and the next is a very drinking water, which is very important part also. Not for the weight loss journey, it's for everyone. Drinking water is very important. Plenty of water it's required for your body. And drinking water doesn't mean कि bottle उठाया और घटाघट से पी लिया. That doesn't mean. You have to sit and take a sip of water, drink like that, which is very much important for your body. I usually consume 3 to 4 liters of water. During pregnancy, I used to have such 5 liters, 3 to 4 or 5 liters, something like that. So it became a practice for me. So for that reason, I am consuming water more, which is important for body. Fruits is again a very important. I used to have more fruits like every day. Uh, Not only myself, for my family also, we buy fruits and more in our diet, which is very important. Now come the exercise. People will definitely say exercise करके भी weight loss कर सकते हैं. Yeah, that is also you can do. But this is again my experience which I am sharing with you, because my journey started in the month of March 2020, and till now I have not gained my weight back. So that means you can reduce your weight, but how to manage is it's again a very difficult. You should, because weight loss journey you will start for 2 3 months. Then again if you stop and eat other food again in your diet, and again you will gain the weight. So there is no mean to do this weight loss journey and all. So exercise, yes, it's a very important part. For me, I am a mother of 22 months old daughter. So people can understand as a if you have a toddler at home what happened to a mother. So I used to run behind her. So it became a daily exercise for me. Yes, we both love Zumba, love dancing. So me and my daughter in the evening time, whenever we get time, we will do a warm up session for 10 to 15 minutes sometime, or more than that. Whenever we get time we will do in that way. So in that way I manage my exercise part every day. And the last but not the least, you have to be positive. If you start your journey, in your mind you doesn't come that I have to reduce 5 kg or 6 kg within 10 days, within 20 days, or within 15 days, or within 1 month. Nothing like that. Your body need to get healed off with lot of things. And also you have to be positive, eat healthy food, eat healthy things in your diet, and try to do the same thing with your family also. So in that way you can help everyone. uh, so these are the experience which I shared with you guys. Hope if you want to know more about that, like what are the recipes we are having in our diet, what I am having in my breakfast or lunch or dinner, you can comment in the comment section. I will definitely try to share or try to contact you for the try to share the recipes with you if possible. And thank you once again for giving your valuable time. And if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. It will encourage us to do more videos which I can able to share my experience to you guys, so that it may be helpful for few of the people, so that few people can share their experience to other few. In this way we can help lot of people together. So
These are the few pictures which I clicked during my healthy weight loss journey. You can see lot of changes in each photos, like regarding facial transformation, then like obviously weight wise also you can see. Then even you can see there is a lot of glow in my skin, because as I am having healthy food and lots of veggies and lots of fruits in my diet. So I thought to share with you people so that you also can see the changes in my each photos.